Well guys, I didn't think this would happen so soon, but I am selling the Z. So I'm actually going out right now to swap out the headlights. Alright, so that was like a one final drive with this car. Because I actually have someone that's on his way to come tomorrow to check out the car, so if he actually like it, he'll buy it then. So this might possibly be the last time driving it. Oh man. Alright, so I'm here with Jeremy right here, and we're actually swapping out my headlights with his stock ones. So yeah, this car is absolutely clean. So first thing, we're just gonna have to remove our front bumpers to remove the headlights, and that should be a simple swap. Alright, got the headlights in, the OEM. We swapped it out. Now he has my blacked out Halo Iron Man mod. Just looks so much better on the blacker, darker car. I don't know, I actually like the look of the OEM on a white car. It doesn't look that bad, it looks pretty clean. I just want to take a few more videos just in case I part ways with the cars tomorrow. I didn't want to do this, but gotta do what you gotta do, right? And the car looks so good. Oh man, I'm gonna miss this car actually. Can't believe I'm gonna sell this. So back at home, another update. So the buyer is actually coming today. I thought he was gonna come tomorrow, but yeah, so this might be actually it. The car might be gone by tonight. I don't know, it just becomes a little bit more surreal now. Even though I only had the car for like a year and like 4 months, basically. I spent a lot of time and effort into building it the way I want it to be. Hopefully my next car, I'm not even sure what kind of car it will be, but for sure it'll definitely have rear seats, most likely all-wheel drive, turbocharged? I don't know. If you guys can guess what car I'm getting next, just comment down below. If you guys guessed it right, maybe I'll send you a little gift. Ikigai Driven hat.
The next day.
Today is gonna be my last day with this car. I have the seller coming in, and he's gonna be picking up my 350Z. He's gonna be here in about like 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna go and pick him up at the train station, and that should be it. So yeah guys, so this is gonna be the last video of this chapter of the 350Z. I'm gonna miss this, even though I only had this for a year and like 4 months. Did a lot of work, spent a lot of hours on this car. So it was my pride and joy. And hopefully the next owner will take really good care of it. I'm sure he would. He loves cars just as much as I do. So no doubt about it that he's gonna take really good care of this, and just can't wait to see what he would do to this car. Let's head out and go pick him up. And this is a new buyer right here. You're gonna take good care of this car, right? Of course. All right, time to say goodbye.